words.
Then why are you being so inconsiderate?
Why am I being inconsiderate?
Yeah.
Man, this conversation's over, man.
It always gets
this
turned
conversation's
on you.
over,
Always
brother.
gets turned on you. Every fucking time.
Come on, Vincent. This conversation's over.
It's because they're a bunch of retards.
Now I'm the problem. You hear this, Terry? I'm the problem.
Look at you and look at
You get that a lot?
I'm the problem, right?
Does that happen to you a lot?
That's crazy as fuck. What'd you say?
Does that happen to you a lot where people say you're the problem and you don't think you are?
Oh, it happens a lot.
Yeah, that's because you are the problem.
No, I'm definitely not the
When
problem.
The video for today is an incident where officers were responding to a dispute between neighbors that began over trash being piled up in the alley and escalated to the point where one neighbor was accusing the other of threatening them and their family with bodily harm. What you're going to see in this video is that many people are adults by legal age only and are unable to carry themselves as such. This is a common situation that officers find themselves in. With all that being said, I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you learned something, and I'll talk to you soon.
Oh, here? Thought it said 43. Sorry. Oh, okay. All right, what's going on?
Okay, I told you guys last week, Monday, twice, because of the guy at 48 Alden.
Okay.
He thinks he owns the alley and owns all these trash cans. Well, we had talked about the landlord about getting over here because my landlord has sold that house, so we'll move every year. And we gotta hurry up and move because the selling is coming up soon and we have 30 days to get out. So we talked to the landlord, he said, we're good to go to move in, but the lady that lived here has a mess. So we're trying to clean it out so we can move in.
Yeah.
Well, the landlord told us to put everything out back by the trash can, and after everything is out, he's gonna call for a bulk pickup.
Yeah.
Well, this guy back here is taking videotape of my son throwing the trash in. And he's also looking over top of the fence, with the privacy fence, taking pictures. And he's threatened to smack him in the mouth once and let his pit bull bite him. He said he's not scared to let his dog go and bite somebody. Well, I'm sorry, you don't own an alley, and that's what the police done told him.
Right.
And to me, it's menacing, and it's invasion of privacy when you're over top of somebody's fence.
Yeah. All right.
It's 45 has been RTO'd.
I'll get some info from you, and I'll go talk to him and see what his side of the story is.
Because we're trying to get all of it out, but I just want to put it by the back inside the gate here until you guys come, and then that week we can put it out. And the landlord said you can call him to verify if you need to.
He said he'll happy to talk to you. Rather talk to you right now and have you take care of it and talk to him and let the other guy know what he said. Because he's complaining that he's the only one that called for a bulk pickup. He's only lived over probably about 4 or 6 months. We've lived on the street for 11 years.
I'm sorry,
and it's just really bad. He even drove around and got his car, silver car, drove around, took a video of the front. He's being very
harassing.
That's odd. Yeah.
So, but if you would like to call the landlord, he said he would be happy to hear from you.
I don't need to talk to the landlord about this. What's your name, ma'am?
Bridget.
All right, sit tight. I'll go over there, talk to him. I'll be back.
Okay,
yep. How you doing, sir?
How you doing?
Oh, yeah, just make sure the dog doesn't come out. So what's going on with the neighbors across the alley? You guys having...
That's been days ago.
Oh, okay, I don't know. They called and said something. There was some argument today about taking pictures or something.
Oh, no, they're filling up the trash cans. I did take a couple pictures.
Okay.
But there was no words exchanged.
Okay.
Police said last time we could take pictures if we wanted.
They're filling up
yeah,
the
you're allowed to take pictures.
Yeah, they're filling up the trash cans with all these bulk items.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know. They said that the landlord was going to call for a bulk pickup. I don't know.
Oh, that's fine. I was just taking pictures.
Yeah,
okay.
we didn't say anything.
You didn't exchange any words or anything?
Not one word.
Okay. Because that's why I wanted to come talk to you. I don't know. They're calling today. I don't know. You said this happened a couple days ago?
Yeah, the incident where there was actually words exchanged, that happened a couple of days ago. But I was taking my dog out this morning, and they're continually putting bulk items. If you look up and down this back alley, they've actually put bulk items, couches in the containers.
Oh, okay.
And you know what I'm saying? So the other day it was just it was a conversation about we all got to live here. How about a little courtesy with this? You know what I'm saying? Because you see, if you look at their trash cans from not the black lady, but the white folks beside, if you look at the 3 trash cans that they would use,
Yeah.
and then you look at the other ones on the outside, it's bullshit.
Yeah. I see
You know
what you're saying. Yeah.
So a couple days ago, it was just a conversation about having a little courtesy about the trash.
Right.
But today it was just me taking a couple pictures of it.
Okay.
Filling up the dumpster.
Did they make any threats to you?
I didn't even, I seen one person, nothing was
Did you
said.
make any threats to them?
Nah.
No. Okay. Yeah.
You know, I got a camera out there. Anything I say is, you know, the story is on tape.
Yeah.
So.
Okay. Because they're claiming that you made threats that you'd let their dog out on them or something like that. For filming. Again, that's why I'm coming to talk to you guys. I'm not just going to assume things.
Yeah, we have cameras everywhere that proves that none of that happened.
Okay. So if you don't mind, I'm just going to grab some info for you or from you, because I'm going to take a report because I want your side in there also.
That's fine.
So I don't know, because they said they're moving from the house next door to that one, and they're trying to get that stuff out, and the landlord's calling.
That's what they're doing?
Yeah.
Ooh, so who wants my information?
Me, I'm going to take a report. I'm not going to give it to them.
Oh, I don't want my name. I don't want my name in the report.
Well, I need to, because I want.
I don't want my name.
Well, they're claiming that you're threatening them.
I don't want my name. I'm not giving you my name. I don't want my name in no reports. I don't want nobody to run down and make false accusations. I'm not giving you my name.
Well, that's why I want your side of the story in there.
I'm not giving you my name.
Dude, this is a simple report. I'm not saying
just
you
leave my name out of it. Just, you know, Exhibit A or something.
Nothing was even said today.
I'm not giving you my name.
Okay.
All right, bro. Have a good one.
All right, you too.
All right, man.
They're beefing because of the trash in the alley. He's upset about that they're putting trash out here because there's a bulk pickup deal, and he's mad because they haven't called for a bulk pickup yet. They're moving from this house to this house, and they're emptying the old house out. He's mad about it because that's his trash can.
Okay.
So then they're saying that he was yelling threats at them. The son was out here, I'm gonna kick your ass or something, or I'm gonna slap you and set my dog out. You don't move your trash. So then I went over there and talked to him. He's like, yeah, I didn't make any threats. I didn't do anything. It's like, all right, dude, let me just get your info for report. I'm not telling you shit. Blah, blah, blah. Boom, goes inside. Like, well, I'm not trying to get in a knockdown drag out of some info right now, but so I was like, I'm gonna try and just research, see if I can get him, put him on the report. And then I pull back around to give them the report number, explain to them what's going on, and then they're all in the backyard, so I can see straight through the house. I knock on the door, they'll come right in the front. He's out there threatening us right now, blah, blah, blah. So I pull in the alley, everybody's standing out here running their mouths. So, see, there we go.
Walking by their own shit.
So,
Pulling up all these other ones. Having the alley look like their house.
Is it the white dude over there, or is this black dude?
that's a white guy in a tank top.
Okay. Why are you yelling?
Because I want to. Because I want to. Because they won't. They're dirty ass motherfuckers. Then they call you guys out here and say I'm threatening them. I didn't make no threats. All I said is pick up your fucking trash.
It was yelling
That's
words,
it.
So
Okay. Well,
That's it.
It takes two people to be yelling
No,
at each
actually,
other.
well, it takes one person to yell.
Okay, you can only control yourself.
For nothing,
Man, listen, man, I'm not the problem here. So
They
the
are.
problem's over there.
but they're retards,
You know what I'm saying?
so they're gonna
That's
get
what
away
everybody
with it.
says.
What's everybody say?
They're not the problem.
That's
but the
not
other
my
person
trash.
is.
We have cameras to prove.
I got cameras to prove
Okay.
everything I'm saying.
Then call this.
I got neighbors that know. So
Are you-
that's not true.
Okay, why are you yelling at me? Am I yelling
Because
at
I
you?
want to.
Because you come up here asking.
Because
me,
I
why are
want
you
to.
Yelling?
Yeah,
Because I want to. That's
because
why.
it doesn't make a bit of damn sense.
What do you want, man? Do you want something?
I want you to stop yelling. It's just a little bit of trash in the alley.
It's not a little bit of trash. It's a whole lot of trash.
Rats are coming.
And they're walking by their own trash cans to fill up these.
Okay, so call the city and have it picked
I
up.
did.
have.
And they
Okay.
continue to do it.
Okay.
Every time they come, they do it again.
They told us they'll keep doing it and keep doing it as much as they want. So
And then they're calling saying that we're making threats. He's over there talking to them. They're making gestures behind his back.
behind all y'all's back, they're doing it right now, like this, like this.
Okay.
But they're quick to call you. I don't call you. I don't need you. For real, I mean, to be honest.
We haven't called
I respect
once.
the job you do, but I don't call you. I don't need to call you.
But the reason we're here is because you're yelling.
No, the reason why you're here is because they called you and said that I threatened them.
Because-
That's why we're here.
Because you're
She told
yelling.
And I can do that.
It's not necessary.
But they
So
can
it's not the
yell.
trash. The trash isn't necessary.
They're
Does that
yelling-
fix
they
it?
were
Does your
yelling
yelling
at us
fix
before
that
you came.
problem?
It's going to.
No, it's not.
It's going to.
Doesn't fix anything.
Eventually, it
Just
will
makes you
fix
feel
it.
like a cool guy.
Why are
'cause
you
you're
here,
yelling.
bro? Why are you
Now
here?
that
What do you
he's
want, man?
watching
I'm here
them,
because
they're
you're
not doing
yelling.
anything. He's not-
Okay,
That's
so
why
what
I'm
next?
here.
What next? I'm allowed to, though. That's the thing, though. I'm allowed to yell if I want to.
Well, I could be an asshole too if I want to.
Well,
but I'm
be
not
an
going
asshole
to.
then.
It's not necessary. Right?
So what next? What
Stop.
next?
That's what they call her.
Just stop.
No.
That's what he's
No.
being an asshole
You can't
about.
even be disorderly on your own porch.
Well, if they can articulate a threat, you can be arrested for that.
Well, I got proof that I didn't, though. So I can articulate that I didn't.
I know, but you'll still have to go to court and prove that you didn't.
I'm not giving you my name because of just this. If they're going to make a false accusation here, why wouldn't they do it somewhere else? I'm not giving you my name.
If we thought you were
I'm not giving you my name, man.
Yoke you up and take you away.
Well, yoke me up and take me away then. That's what you're going to have to do.
I'm not saying that's not what we want to do because I'm not saying that you're out here yelling threats.
I didn't yell no threats. My neighbor knows I didn't threat.
He never
My cameras
accused you.
know.
The problem is you don't listen to anything anyone tells you.
No, I listen to everything you're telling me.
No, he's not. He's
I
not.
heard everything he said. I
Did he-
didn't have a problem with
Did he
it.
accuse you?
I didn't say that he did.
He said he wants to put your side of the story.
No,
in the
he said he
report.
could articulate and do this and that.
That's not what he
Well,
said.
I beg to differ. I got everything
If
on
you would
camera.
stop yelling, you would understand.
What do you want, man? Anything else?
He just told
Anything
you.
else?
I just want you to
Anything
take
else?
the- I just
Until
want
they
you to
stop
take the
putting
report.
trash in the alley, it's gonna be a problem. It's gonna be yelling, and it's gonna be them calling you.
Do you own that alley?
Man, you know what, man? I'm not even gonna answer that. I don't own the alley, no.
Of course you don't.
No. But
So you're
today,
not. It's not your responsibility.
Yeah,
You're not in
you do.
control.
it is. I live here. I live here.
There's easy ways to.
It's called a consideration. It's called being considerate
Okay, then stop
of your
being.
neighbors.
Then why are you being so inconsiderate?
Why am I being inconsiderate?
Yeah.
Man, this conversation's
See,
over,
it
man.
always gets
This
turned on you.
conversation's over,
Always
brother.
gets turned on you. Every
See ya.
fucking time.
Come on, Christian. This conversation's over.
It's because they're a bunch of retards.
Now I'm the
today.
problem. You hear this, Terry? I'm the problem.
Look at you and look
You
at
get that a lot?
I'm the problem, right?
Does that happen to you a lot?
That's crazy as fuck. What'd you say?
Does that happen to you a lot where people say you're the problem and you don't think you are?
Oh, it happens a lot.
Yeah, that's because you are the
No,
problem.
I'm definitely not the problem.
When it always happens,
I'm
it's because
definitely
you
not
are.
the problem.
Okay.
I'm definitely not. To be honest with you, it doesn't happen a lot. Only when you fucks are here. That's the only time it happens. That's the only time.
All right, buddy.
Everybody else in my life, I'm pretty trustworthy.
Hell yes.
I find that hard to believe.
Well, you would. I bet your dick's like this big too.
It is.